Thanks for joining me today to do a quick walk around of this 2026 Nautique G23. The G23 is the king in the Nautique lineup. This boat has the medallion metal flake here on the side, and then obviously you can see the white kind of all over. Then we see the nice gold accent. You'll see that on the outside. You'll also see hints of gold accent on the inside of the boat as well. And as we come to the back, obviously with Nautique you're going to get the NSS Nautique Surf System. We do have a stern thruster, underwater lights, surf pipe, and a boarding ladder. This boat is all set to go, and why don't you join me aboard so we can take a look at what is on the interior. All right, welcome aboard this 2026 Nautique G23. We got excellent seats here in the back, cup holders. As we walk in, we got the sea deck all the way through, sea deck on the side. Nice U-shaped seating all the way through, pull-out bench, cooler in the floor. For 2026, we got new board racks for your foiling boards. Makes it easier to store them. Like I said, we've got nice seating all the way around, cup holders, places for phones, storage. And as we come to the helm, great helm seat here. 15-inch touch screen, place for a phone for the driver. Throttle, more cup holders, storage. Then we come up to the bow. We got the bow filler cushion, great place to sit, more cup holders, armrests. This G23 is here at our Rogers location. Stop on by anytime, come take a look.